Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another tutorial. Today is another colorful look inspired by my nails, y'all. I had to do something inspired by my nails because my nails is bomb. They colorful, they there, they summertime, they fun. And anyway, spring, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and skip spring and just say right on to summer, okay? Because these nails giving straight vibes. So what I'm giving today, sis, this, and it's so pretty. Also, don't forget to go follow me on social media platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. And there will be a video coming up. It's already late right now, so probably tomorrow I will record a video, not a makeup tutorial, but a video that is going to explain my camera setup, my vlogging equipment, and stuff like that. New cameras, stuff that I got, the lens on this, and everything like that will be in one video because I want y'all to see what's going on and how I get this beautiful image. I'm tired of rambling. I don't want to ramble anymore. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Yes, right now, I don't know if y'all can hear it, but if y'all do, that's because it's Chris Brown's birthday today. Oh, and I am excited. It's my husband, okay? Because if any of y'all claiming him out there, baby, y'all already know that's my man, okay? That's Chris Brown's my man. He been my man since he came out, okay? That motherfucker won't, and his mama won't. We about to get into it. So I did go ahead and prep my base already and did my eyebrows off camera. I did go ahead and took my Precise brow pencil. I keep forgetting that with this lens you gotta stay at my face. I took my Precise brow pencil and 3.75 warm and also number 4. Then I went ahead and took my Plouise Base, the shade 3 and 6. Y'all have been requesting me to do a Yolanda's makeup, the Jamrock Palette. Yolanda Adams did do a video on this palette, but Yolanda actually sent me a lot of products, so I want to test them out. I want to see how they really work before I go live. I go on live Facebook this Friday, y'all, be viewing her products, but I'm going to try them right here first on camera just to see how I like them. She has a brow pomade in here, but I didn't try that yet. But I want to try her palette to see if I really enjoy this palette. Dive right into these eyeshadow palettes. I seen this infamous Jamrock palette, y'all, so I had to try it. A lot of pretty colors in here, but I do not know exactly what I'm going to do. Go for it. Okay, so I'm tapping this out. Ooh. Okay, hold on. So the first shade I'm going to take is wow. Okay, the first shade I'm going to take is this one. Wow. And it's like electric blue. Y'all, this blue eyeshadow, look at that. Oh my god, it's so intense. The next color that I'm gonna go in with is Stay Good. Going to this shadow right here called Stay Good. I would have went in with this dark one, but it has, I would have went in with this darker shadow, but it has like shimmer flakes in it. Take my Morphe 330 brush. I'm just going to tap that on. I use 3 shadows, y'all. Y'all can obviously use 2, but I like to go like you. And I'm not tapping it off. You see, I'm not tapping it off, y'all. Give me all the pigment. Shade right here called Colors. I want to go to that shade. Now I'm about to go in with each shadow. What I'm about to do, I think I got everything like I wanted, like basically buffing this out. I see how like that just made everything look a little bit more blended. Color that I want to add is bling because I am going to add glitter to my lid. I think I want to add some sparkle in the front too though. I'm going to keep this section open. I do want to add this glitter somewhere in between. It's matte. Just lining it, smudging it out. Like so. Let me add black first. I'm going into the Jamrock Palette. And I'm going to add black and a little bit of blue. So now that I have that, what I'm gonna do, I'm about to add some just glitter. I won't lose that pigment due to the eyelash glue. It's so watery, liquidy. I'm gonna take my NYX glitter glue. Yeah, y'all, I like this. It's cute. No cuts. Anastasia foundation, 500C and 490W. So I'm going with my Nars foundation. I mean concealer. I've been loving these lately. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and put my foundation powder on, and then I went ahead and went in with Limelight. Now I'm about to add these colors underneath my eyes. Basically, these colors under my eyes, I did go ahead and get the collection that y'all told me to get. It came. I'm going in here and I'm going to grab this pink. It's called Max Volume. Back into my Jamrock palette, I'm going to grab this orange shade right here. And this peachy color is called Trini. Has this color right here. Y'all don't have it, y'all definitely sleep on this palette. I'm a bronze first. So I'm bronzing with Mocha Mommy. Oh yeah. I'm gonna keep it soft. She also sent me some glosses, so I think I'm gonna try these glosses. I'll keep it soft. I was gonna do dramatic. I don't know if it's a, there it goes. I don't know if. Get this gloss real quick. I don't use no blush like that. Besides Juvia's Place. And I'm taking my Juvia's Place blush and I'm gonna add orange in this color. These two are here. So I like to add a lot of blush now because when you put your highlight on, it's just basically gonna overpower it. So now I still think I want to do a different lip. I'm gonna spray my Sweetie collection. Go back in. Now basically blend it out. And then highlight. So glow. So I'm gonna come back after I put some clothes on and actually flat out my hair, y'all. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below whether or not y'all want a video on my camera equipment, because I think some of y'all said yeah, and definitely in the last tutorial y'all was definitely asking what lens was this. Like y'all was going crazy like, oh, this lens is fine, you know, it's all blurry. We'll get right into it tomorrow. I'll probably come on here with like a natural beat or something, you know, not too crazy. I hope y'all is enjoying Wednesday's video, and until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.